Hi there, I'm Louise Marshall, Head of Customer Training at RosterElf. Today, let's talk about how to delete and reactivate staff members in RosterElf. Let's get started. Deleting staff in RosterElf. Click on the Staff tab in your RosterElf dashboard. Hover over the employee you want to remove and click the X button. Review the confirmation pop-up and click Deactivate to finalize. Reactivating staff in RosterElf. Click on the Staff tab again. Click on the Inactive button in the top right to view deleted staff. Hover over the staff member you want to restore and click the green Reactivate icon. Click Reactivate to confirm. That's it. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Until then, happy rostering!